Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to make teriyaki sauce, a recipe given to me by my friend Inquisitor. First thing you want to do is get your ingredients ready. All you need is water, soy sauce, ground ginger, honey, ground garlic, cornstarch, and brown sugar. The first thing you want to do is take the water and cornstarch and mix it together. Now I'm using a shifter for the cornstarch just to break up all the lumps so it mixes nice and smooth. Once it's all mixed nicely, you want to set it to a side and take care of the 5 remaining ingredients. You want to pulp those in a saucepan. You know, the brown sugar, ground garlic, ground ginger, soy sauce, and the honey. Now the honey is going to be delicious and slow. You want to try to get as much of it out of the container as much as possible. Now what you want to do here is bring it up to temp. You want to make sure that the brown sugar is fully dissolved because brown sugar does not dissolve in cold liquids. That's what the soy sauce is. So there you see me here trying to get much of the honey out as much as possible because I do not want to waste a drop. So just keep mixing it and stirring it till you get to the temp and all the sugar is dissolved. There's me just checking the temperature. Now, my friend Inquisitor, he does things on YouTube as well. You can check him out over at Comic Book Curation. The link to that channel will be down in the description. You should check it out if you like comic books. He does a show every Wednesday. Now once the temperature comes up, you want to start slowly adding in the cornstarch mixture. Now there will be a lot of steam coming off because that is the water boiling off, and that's what you want. You want to make a syrup. So just keep stirring. You want to make sure that all that foam, all those bubbles, are gone. That's knowing you're getting close to the right consistency. So just keep stirring it. It'll get there eventually. Don't mind the steam. And there you go. Look at that. It's getting there pretty good. All the bubbles are moving on and all the foam is gone. It's nice and clearish as much as possible for the color of liquid this is. And there you go. You got yourself some homemade teriyaki sauce. Now here's some bonus footage. This is what I put the teriyaki sauce on. Just getting some rice out of my rice cooker and putting on some fried beef. The video should be up already. Just pouring the teriyaki sauce right over it. And there you go, you got yourself a teriyaki rice bowl. Now I do hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoyed the food. Thank you for watching.